Hello and welcome to timegram's tutorial video series. Today we'll look at timegram's team dashboard. Let's get started. This is the team dashboard. Here you'll get an overview of all your team members and how their work week has been so far. It shows you the total capacity of your team, the logged hours within the week, and unlogged hours which were tracked but aren't yet logged to any task. You will be able to see the user's logged hours, active tasks, and individual capacity by hovering over their names. Similarly, hovering over each bar shows the daily capacity of each team member, and the one at the end shows the weekly capacity. If you like to see the performance for a specific week, select the date range from the calendar to filter this dashboard. You can also filter the dashboard by specific teams from here. If you want to see the performance of a specific employee, all you have to do is click their name and it will open this user progress drawer. Here you will be able to see their weekly progress, whether they did overtime or were short on hours. It also shows the tasks they have been working on during the week. Pretty sweet, right? You can also get a quick overview of the team activity as whole through this graph. That is all for timegram's team dashboard. Feel free to drop us a message on a chat or create a ticket, and our support team will respond to your queries as soon as possible. See you in the next one.